How to add friends in Blockman Go. Hello and welcome to our channel the Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily add friends in Blockman Go. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Blockman Go app and wait for it to load. And once it's loaded, you have to tap here in the bottom right side here on this icon, and then here go to friends, and here you will see recruit family members, add friends, my family, friends, group chat, etc., my groups, a set relatives and friends tag, and all of this. So to send or add friends, tap on here add friends, and then here you can enter your friend's nickname or ID and then search for it, and here Blockman will show you all of the people you may be interested. And then if you want to sort these people, you can tap here in the top right corner on the sort button, and from here you can select what type of friends you're trying to find, that what type of language they speak, like to play, gender, and etc. And so to add a friend, enter here their nickname ID. So for example I'm gonna enter anything, and now after you have searched for your friend's nickname or ID, to add them, tap here on the plus on their profile, and then you can write any message you want. So by default here it is written let's be friends, and then tap on OK to send request, and the request will be sent. And if you want to check your friend requests that you have received, to check them, go back, and then here you have to tap on my family, friends, group chat, application information, and then once you are here you have to go to friends, and here you will see all of the friend requests you have received. And so this is how you can add friends in Blockman Go. Thanks for watching.